Hello, my name is Zoe, and this is my week 5 preview. And in this week, we learn about contact forces, friction, static, um, dynamic equations, and determinism. So, what did I already knew? I already knew about friction, but what I didn't know about that was how friction is not always opposite of the direction of motion, which makes sense if you're like seeing things at like an angle instead of it just being straight down onto an object. So what sparks my curiosity? Well, besides tension, friction really sparked my curiosity because I wanted to know how things interact with each other on an atomic level. And how does it relate to my field of study? Well, in my field, we have to take into account a lot of electricity and how equipment or different objects interact with each other. So I feel that friction is extremely important when trying to decide which certain components will be next to each other or how they interact, and especially if things are moving like in a robot. So what topic seemed most confusing for me? For me, it was tension. I understood how things could be like pulled, but when they were talking about like compressing, it didn't really make too much sense to me. So what I did is I watched a couple of YouTube videos. Well, I watched a couple of YouTube videos of rope being pulled, and the guy in the video, he was talking about how since everything's being the so everything's being pulled, there's a larger tension force than if it was relaxed. And when it's in relaxed, it's in equilibrium. After watching those videos, I kind of did my own little testing. So I had like my sleeve. I pulled it apart to like feel how how the tension, to feel tension and how it interacts with like its system, and then I compressed it together, and I kind of analyzed that to help understand my thinking of the the pull part of tension. Well, thank you for watching my video. Tune in for next week.